Hello, good evening guys. I have repaired here this UX which was before it was not working, the compressor and also this other fan motor immediately shut off. Now I'm going to test if it is working properly after repairing of this. I will switch on the breaker guys. Now the control displaying. We'll wait for a couple of seconds to turn on the inner fan motor to spin. Now inner fan motor is spinning. Then after a while we're gonna wait this outer fan motor and also this compressor to be working. It might take 3 minutes to turn on the compressor. We're gonna wait guys to turn on the outer fan motor and also this compressor. It came from balance wheel, the technician of this who brought here. Okay guys, the inner outer fan motor is spinning as well as the compressor is working. So for the time being guys, we're gonna observe and monitor if it is working properly. By the way guys, the problem of this, why it was not working, this is the IPM, this is the defective one which I replaced. This one. When you test this one, because there is a way of testing of this IPM, this output is okay, but I think the UBW input of this, there were problems that it came from the microcontroller. to give signal from the input of the IPN. Okay guys, thank you very much for your watching of this video. Until the next video, if you are not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, and also you can comment below, and also just hit the notification so that you are updated. Okay guys, thank you very much for your watching again. See ya at the next video.